If you're seeing error code 4 on X, formerly Twitter, don't worry. This is usually a browser, session, or platform issue, and in most cases, you can fix it pretty quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and most effective steps to get X working again on your PC browser. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, it's important to understand what error code 4 usually means. This error can happen when X has a temporary server issue, when your browser data gets corrupted, or when an extension like an ad blocker interferes with the site. So instead of guessing, we'll start with the fastest checks and then move into the more reliable fixes. Step 1 is to check whether X is actually having an outage. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. It's X itself. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com, then search for X or Twitter. Look at the report graph and recent user complaints. If you see a big spike, that usually means the platform is having a widespread problem. In that case, the best fix is simply to wait a little while and try again later. If there's no outage, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. This is one of the most common fixes because corrupted site data can prevent X from loading correctly. To do this, open your browser settings by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then go to Privacy and Security and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set to all time. After that, check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those are selected, click Clear Data. After the browser finishes, close the tab, reopen X, and try signing in again. If the error is still there, the next thing to test is your extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, VPN extensions, or even browser shields can block the scripts needs to run properly. Click your extension icon in the browser toolbar and temporarily turn off anything that might affect. If you're using Brave Shields, uBlock Origin, or a similar blocker, disable it for X.com specifically. Then refresh the page and try logging in again. If X works after disabling the extension, you've found the cause. Another helpful test is using Incognito or private mode. This gives you a clean browser session without most stored cookies or active extensions. On Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. Then open X.com in that private window and try to log in. If X works in Incognito but not in your normal browser, that tells you the issue is likely tied to your regular browser profile, cookies, or extensions. That means you may need to clear more site data or remove the extension causing the conflict. If you're still stuck, check your system date and time. This might sound small, but an incorrect clock can cause certificate and authentication problems when connecting to X. On Windows, right-click the time on your taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on, then click Sync Now. Once your time is corrected, go back to X and try again. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the problem. In most cases, clearing cookies, disabling extensions, or checking for outages is enough to fix error code 4 on. If none of those work, try a different browser as a final test. That can help you confirm whether the issue is specific to your current browser or something more general with your account or network. And that's how to fix X.com Twitter error code 4 step by step. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another X or Twitter issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.